Hi, here we are again. Welcome to another YouTube video. In case this is your first time on my YouTube channel, hi, I'm Yvettekayee and welcome. In today's video, I'll be walking you through my skincare routine. So yeah, let's go.
So it has really been a long journey for me to find out what products works the best for my oily skin. It took some trial and error, but I'm glad that I found some useful products along the way. I first started cleaning my skin with the foam cleanser from CeraVe. This is a product that was made to remove all the oils from the face without damaging the skin barrier. So that's a very big advantage for this product because some skincare products can be very harsh for the skin. And I like to treat my skin like it's sensitive to protect it from any unnecessary damage, you know. I rub the product in until it starts foaming and I'm satisfied with the amount of foam I see. And then I wash it off. After that, I use the purifying toner of Dr. Organic from the tea tree line, and I'm so in love with this product. I've been using it for years now, and before I switched to the CeraVe foam cleanser, I also used to use the face wash from this same line, and it gave very good results. My skin was glistening, it was shining. So this purifying toner extracts all the oil from your face and it reduces the pores and gives you a glass skin. After I've done that, the next step for me is to remove all those, I don't really know how to call it, all those dirt that fills up in your pores, especially around your nose. I always press it out by pushing my nose upwards and make sure that all that gunk comes out. The next step for my skincare routine is applying vitamin C serum that contains niacinamide. And this serum, guys, I love it. So what I do is I like to take 1 drop of the vitamin C serum, I rub it on my hands and I gently tap it into my face until it's fully absorbed. And then my skincare routine is halfway through. The next final step I always do for my skincare routine is to moisturize my face. And I actually moisturize my face with the same body lotion I use for my whole body. And that's the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Body Butter. It's a body butter that I can really recommend. It's for me, I really experience it like a 10 out of 10. It makes my skin so smooth, it makes my skin wrinkle free, it moisturizes very deep. Whenever I use this body butter, I'm always glowing, I'm always glistening and shiny after applying it. So after moisturizing my face, I'm good to go for the day.
So this was my skincare routine. I hope this was a useful video for you and especially for the people with oily skin. In case you might want to make use of the products that I used for my skincare routine, I'll be sharing the link to the stores where I ordered them in the description box below. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Sharing is caring, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.